2018 GMC Sierra Denali 6.2 liter supercharged truck. Really nice. We did a few things to it before he brought it back. His neighbors complaining too loud, so we made it a little bit quieter for him, which we don't like to do, but it's okay. Here's got factory converters there and there. Third converter there. Then what we put on it is a Magnaflow, part number 12649. As you guys can see right there. To quieten it down for him, it's a 24-inch muffler. Then it's wide out. We did the duals way back on each side, there and there. There's the Y pipe all the way out the back into 4-inch roll tips there and there. This is the pipe we cut off. We straight piped it for him earlier, but it was just his neighbors complaining. He works at night, so it was too loud. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. If you would have went with a board, it would have been too quiet. Give it gas. The nice thing about Magnaflow, when it's in idle, it's quiet. And then when you get on it, you hear it open up. Yeah, that's perfect. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. Yeah, right at 100, so that's perfect. Got a nice deep idle to it too. Gotta keep your neighbors happy, man. Still sounds really good though. Let you guys hear on the inside. Enjoy, guys.